Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Yamaha TTR90E. This is electric start, 4-stroke, 110 dirt bike. It's got a 4-speed semi-automatic. You just shift it in gear, there's no clutch, super easy to ride. Great for the young little kiddies. Come on by, make somebody's dirt bike dreams come true for just $28.99. This little TTR90E won't be here long. It's got a cool graphics package. $29.99 rather. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Woohoo! Go Rob! Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.